Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate PayPal payment gateway into your e-commerce website. Now obviously everybody knows that PayPal is one of the oldest payment gateways in the world and one of the most popular ones, and especially used by people in Europe and US. So if you want to do that, the first thing you need to do is create an account with PayPal and get it approved. Once you've done that and your account is active, then follow the steps in this video so that you can integrate PayPal so that your customers can pay online at checkout. Remember, paying online at checkout enables them to process orders much faster and it reduces the hassle for you. So let's follow the following steps. The first thing we are going to do is go to settings, and in settings go to payment settings. Now, if you want to have a COD option, which is cash on delivery option, sometimes also known as pay on delivery option, you can switch this on. Once I switch this on, if I go to my checkout page, now as you can see, I've already added a product to my cart. When I refresh this, you'll be able to see a pay on delivery option available to your customer. If you don't want to do that, you can switch it off. But in order to then integrate PayPal into the system, you need to click here and activate pay at checkout. And after that, in payment gateway, select PayPal. Once you select PayPal, then what you require is a gateway key and a gateway secret. For that, what you need to do is go to your PayPal account. So you need to sign in to your PayPal account. And after signing in, this is the first screen you see. From here, you have to select developer. And in developer, you need to select API SDKs. Sorry, not API SDKs. Out here, you need to go in and select dashboard. Once you select dashboard, make sure that from sandbox mode, you switch to live mode. If you don't switch to live mode, your payment integration will not work. Now after that, you need to create an app. When you create an app, you can name it anything. I'm just naming it Shopivana for this video, and I create an app. After creating an app, it will show you the client ID and the secret key. So first we are going to just click on client ID and copy the whole thing. Go to store configuration and paste that here. As you can see that I've pasted this same thing which I got from here. And then click here to show the secret key, and in here copy this, click here and then paste that as well. And once you've done that, your payment integration is complete. Now what we are going to do is click on checkout, refresh the screen, and now you are seeing a pay online button out here. We are going to select pay online and checkout. This is going to take us through the PayPal process using which your customers will be able to pay. So your customers can, if they have an account, they can log in. Otherwise, they can pay using credit card or debit card. Here they can select the country from which they are buying. And here they can fill in all the details. Click on this for saving their account if they want, and then agree and create an account and proceed to pay. Once they proceed to pay, then they'll be redirected to the actual thank you page where the order will be complete. And that order will then start reflecting in your orders page right here. So that's about it. That's how you actually create a PayPal integration into the e-commerce account. Thank you.